Welcome to this mindfulness meditation, breathing in compassion for the self and breathing out compassion for others. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift and the shoulders to soften down your back. Today we will practice compassion. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. Then allowing the breath to find its natural, slow, gentle rhythm. Let's start by inviting compassion for ourselves. As human beings, we all have moments of difficulty, challenge, of suffering. Take a moment to acknowledge the difficulties you've experienced or are experiencing now in your life. It may help to think of a specific difficulty, or you can keep it general. Now imagine someone you know who cares about you. It can be someone present in your life now or from the past. It may be a dear friend, family member, or a teacher. Or it can even just be the general idea and feeling of a caring person. Now imagine this person responding to your difficulties with warmth and understanding. Allow yourself to receive their warmth and understanding, their wishes for your well-being and happiness. Allow their care and concern to fill your whole body and mind. As you breathe in compassion for yourself. You may also want to say some words to yourself, such as, "May I be well. May I be healthy. May I find the resources that I need to pass this difficulty." As you breathe in, you can think of yourself as breathing in this compassion for yourself, taking it in and really letting it sink into your body and mind. Now bring to mind someone who you know is having a difficult time. It could be someone at work or in your personal life, someone that you care about. Bringing this person to mind, along with the awareness that they are struggling right now. Now let yourself feel what you would wish for them. You may wish them health, happiness, contentment, or it may not be specific words, but more of a general feeling, a general wish for their well-being. Imagine them receiving this compassion. Now, if you're able, you may want to expand your wish of compassion more widely to anyone experiencing difficulty or pain. You may say to yourself, "May their suffering be relieved. May they be well." As you breathe out now, breathe out compassion for others. Even if you're not able to connect directly with feelings of compassion, just bringing kind awareness to whatever it is you may be experiencing right now. Breathing in compassion for myself. Breathing out compassion for others. Continue this breath pattern, breathing in compassion for yourself and breathing out compassion for others. Now letting the words and the breath pattern go, returning to an awareness of the body, settling on the breath. Notice how you feel right now. Take note of any sensations in your body, particularly around your face, your head, your heart, your chest, and your belly. As you continue noticing what happens in your body, you may now slowly blink your eyes open, stretching as needed, returning your awareness to where you are. And if you choose, take 2 minutes now to journal on these 2 questions. What I've noticed during this practice period is the kind of mindset or attitude I hope to cultivate is. Once you've finished, take a minute to reread what you wrote and reflect.